this were accident.
Oh, no, I don't have an accident, doctor. My teeth is painful. Yes,
Let me
it's
check.
okay. What are you going to do?
Let me check. Like this.
Like what?
This one.
Like what?
This.
You need me to open my mouth? So what did you see, doctor?
I see a snake.
What?
I see a bug in your mouth.
What? A bug?
Yes.
In my mouth?
Yes, I see it under your tummy.
In my tummy?
Yes. And under
my
your
gosh.
heart and your doo-doo. And your heart.
Well, why is it there? How did it get there, doctor?
It's
Did I
weird.
eat it?
Yes.
From where?
And your tummy.
But where did I get it? What fruit or something?
Here.
It's where? Oh my gosh, can you look at it, doctor? Can you feel my tummy?
Oh.
Oh, it's bad. Am I going to be okay? Scared.
Let me check to here. Oh.
What?
There's a bug in your tummy.
What, doctor? I didn't hear you.
There's a bug in your tummy.
Louder.
There's a bug in your tummy.
In your tummy.
Oh, my nails.
Oh wow, I like your nails.
What's accident in your ears?
Oh, my accident. No, I don't have accident in my ears, doctor. It's because I touch my ears a lot and I always pick on them. Are you going to check them?
Yes. There's no anything in there.
Oh, that's good. Up here. High five.
Yes, and you're so better now.
Wow.
Goodbye.